Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you a little tip that can help you speed up your workflow while editing in Premiere Pro. So let's begin. Normally when you're editing, you import your file onto your project panel over here. And usually what you do is you come over to your preview monitor and you set your in points, and you probably scroll out to some point and set your out points by hitting O. And what you do normally is to drag this onto your timeline. But I'm going to show you a new way to do this. Now let's say you have some B-roll or footages that you are editing with. Now all you need to do is to drag this video file onto your program window over here, and you'll be greeted with so many options over here. So we have insert before, we have insert, we have overlay, we have insert after, overwrite, and replace. Now what do? The moment you place overlay over here, automatically you'll find it being overlaid above your video over here. And if I take this out with Ctrl Z, you can actually drag this to insert before and drop it there, and it will automatically be inserted before your video. So what this is going to do is that it's going to push your video backward and insert this before that video. Hit Ctrl Z, and you can drag this to insert after, and it's going to automatically be added to after your clip over here. And if you do not want it to insert with your audio, all you need to do is to deselect your audio over here and drag it and select insert after, and it's going to insert it without audio. But if you want it with your audio, you can activate your audio layer over here and drag it to probably insert after, and you'll find out that it is inserted with your audio layer over here. So the other options we have over here is to insert. So I'm going to take this to the middle of this clip over here and just hit it at insert, and what you notice is that it automatically inserted it in between these clips. So we had this video over here, we have this video after it, but in between you can find it inserted in between these clips. Another option, so move your playhead to the position where you want it to be inserted and drag this. So if I place this now to replace, what you are going to see is that it replaced this. Okay, let me zoom this so you can see it clearer. It replaced this at the beginning, and this other extended portion over here where this new video that I have imported do not reach to, it becomes black. So you are seeing this transparent grid layer over here, meaning that it doesn't have any footage at this point. So let me hit Ctrl Z, and the last option is to drag this and place it at overwrite. And what you will notice is that it only overwrites the portion where this clip's duration meets, and the other position, it doesn't affect that clip. And the good thing about this is that it doesn't affect your other track layer, so you can have so many files and it remains within your video layer 1 or your video layer 2 if you should choose to use the overlay option. And that's it guys on how to edit videos from your program window in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you guys in my next video tomorrow.